Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today I've got a heat press. There's a big old heat press. That company right there. So we're gonna open it. Alright, here you go. We're about to open it right now. I'll open it with this thing right here. The other one I got it from Amazon, but it didn't work. It was something wrong with it. So I took it back. And I got this one. This is supposed to get in the one I had before, but let's see. We will see. Instructions. And I'm going to pull it out the box. Okay, now I'm going to plug it up. And I forgot to show y'all that it comes with a cup press. You can heat up cups and stuff, you know, put your designs on there, whatever, you know, hook it up. And then I forgot to show y'all that it got the hat press to come with it too. Yes. And then I forgot to show y'all them. That's the stands to go for the heat press. Then it has some heat plates. And that's it. Thanks guys. Bye. Okay guys, I'm gonna see if the heat press work. So I'm going to put this on a hoodie. I don't need this one, so I'm gonna hide it. Hide this layer. Right there. Okay. So the layer is gone. And this one we'll put on the shirt. Okay, I hear the other layer. So this one I want to put on the shirt right here. And I want to make sure the size and stuff is correct because I'm just going to put it on the back of the hoodie. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to use this white pepper right here, and it tells me that I need to use it for 300 and for 10 seconds. So I'm going to change the time on here. As doing that, I'm going to take everything out of my way so I can excuse the mat It's kind of dirty. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put the mat inside the Cricut. I'm going to press make it. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look on the mat. So I can move it where I want it to be placed at on there. So I'm about right here. So now I'm going to make sure I have this on vinyl. Press continue. And I'm going to press fast mode, and there you go. Okay. I'm going to unload it and take it off like this. Okay. Then I'm going to weed it out. And just hold it down and just pull it. This is how it's supposed to look. I'm about to heat the hoodie. I get it hot. Oh, that's real hot. This. Not bad. I'll get this. And I'm going to just lay it wherever I want to place the my ruler. That's gonna be the kicker. Place it. And we'll just fire that up. It's very hot, guys, so be careful. Okay. Remove the top one. I want to just press it one more time. On the back side, you know. Just one more time. Just quick second. Just one quick second. This is the hoodie, guys, back of it, and this is the front of it. Thank you for watching.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely.